See, all the North Indian Rajputs, they accepted sovereignty of Prithwiraj Chauhan, except a king from the Kanauj. So here there is a Kanauj. It was ruled by the Gahadwala dynasty. The ruler was Jayachandra. So Jayachandra did not accept the authority of Prithwiraj Chauhan. And Jayachandra was a rival of Prithviraj. So Jayachandra had a daughter. The daughter is Samyojita. For royal women, there is a Swayamvara. For Swayamvara, your Jayachandra called all the princes of Rajputs except Prithviraj Chauhan. But here, Samyojita, she learnt about the great deeds, the military qualities of the Prithviraj Chauhan. She sent a letter to the Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay, come and defeat my forces and abdict. So your Prithviraj Chauhan, he mobilized the forces and defeated the Jayachandra and abducted Samyojita and married her, and they got shelter. They were in the Dillikapura for quite some time. When they were in Dillikapura in 1191,